Congratulations on your purchase of Shoppy Shop's Vital GLP-1 patches. Our GLP-1 patches should not be confused with prescription drugs that may have similar names. They are not designed to treat or cure any disease. These statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. That said, incorporating our GLP-1 patches into your weight management program can support your goals. They blend berberine extract to support metabolism, bitter melon to promote blood sugar harmony, ginseng for steady energy, and hops extract for antioxidant support, all contributing to healthy metabolic balance and vitality. The ingredients work best with consistent use, building accumulating effects over 90 days. To measure results, take body measurements and weigh yourself only once a month. You may notice reduced food cravings. Use that to say no and build better habits. Next, track your daily water intake, plain water only, not soda or juice. Aim for 8 to 10 cups. Proper hydration helps your body maximize the patch's benefits, flush toxins, and enhance weight management results. Add modest exercise to improve circulation, which supports any weight management program. Note your current walking or activity level. If low, increase it gradually. If you have pre-existing health conditions, consult your physician before starting. For application, place the patch on a hair-free area like shoulders, upper arm, or abdomen. Rotate locations daily. If adhesive residue remains, remove with warm soapy water and a face cloth. In summary, enjoy supported metabolic balance, energy, and harmony with consistent use, hydration, exercise, and monthly tracking. Get the most from your GLP-1 patches. Stay vibrant.